today here we are in outdoor class of Rebel spoken classes, and we have some students from the Rebel. So let's take a review of Rebel from them. So hello, you have spent some time here. So how is your experience till now?
In Rebel, the experience is good, and the sir was teaches us very good in very good way, and sir is very good person, and we enjoy a lot in coaching. That's all.
Okay. So same question goes to you. How is your experience?
So my experience is also very good. Like it has been 3 months almost, and I have learned a lot of things, and I have removed my hesitation very clearly. So I think it's a very good place, and it helps you to develop your personality. So it's a very good thing.
Okay, the question is for you that how Rebel has helped you to change you and also for your communication skills.
Okay, so acceptation skills, it hurts, but when it is like your dream, when it comes true, definitely you will be on cloud nine. With the same acceptations, I have joined Rebel Spoken English. Less than 1 month, I realized this is a place where I can be proficient in this language. And the Kanhaiya sir is very amiable teacher. His teaching style is very fantastic, and also the way he is presenting himself, like it's kind of friendly nature, right? So he's also providing us HR program like parliamentary debate, PD classes, interview. If you are going for any job interview, if you are going for any competitive exam as well, so it will help you a lot. So I groomed my personality, and now see.
Okay, I'll come back to you again. So you have spent a good time here. How is your experience?
So it was very good experience. It has been 4 months here, and I am quite enjoying the campus. And about Kanhaiya sir, he is very friendly and very humble. If we have any problem, then we go to Kanhaiya sir, and he always solve the problem. And it is very good, and I am enjoying it. And it has been very good experience in Rebel.
Okay, thank you so much. So I have a question for you that how before joining Rebel Shubhsri was and how Shubhsri is right now after joining Rebel.
Okay, so if I talk about my experience, like how I was before and how I has changed in Rebel, so I guess that I have noticed a very great change in myself, because earlier what happened to me, like I know what I have to speak, I know I can speak, but I just stop in the name, like if I have committed any grammatical mistake, then what will happen? So this kind of fear is being so much vanished in the Rebel, because I know that there are lots of things that come inside my mind, like whatever I am speaking it correctly or not. But in Rebel I got the rid of that hesitation, like yes, I can speak English and I will definitely do it. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So now for you, which is the best activity that Rebel provides you and that will help you and you want it to continue?
I think I was spent only 1.5 months here, but I think outdoor activity is good.
Okay, outdoor activity.
Yeah.
And for you?
I think I enjoy every activity, like outdoor activity, and there was activity of parliamentary debate, and there is activity of vegetation removal. So I enjoy all the activity, and it is very like all are my favorites.
So how it helps you?
It helps me to improve myself and to develop my personality. As we are here and we are discussing it in our outdoor activity, so it is really helpful for everyone.
For you, which is the best activity that Rebel provides you and you want to continue for forever?
First is HR program, and second is outdoor classes, because in HR program you are getting stage. On the stage it is very hard to speak single sentence in English, and when you will take mic, so your hand it will be shivering types of thing, it will gonna happen on that time. So it's kind of hard also, and it will be quite adventurous too. And about outdoor classes, so in outdoor classes there are several like students that are coming, they are seniors, you are interacting with them, they will ask you lots of questions based on their sectors, so you will get confused as well if you are intelligent too. So it will like shows that how much like intelligent you are and how you are presenting yourself. So I can say outdoor class, it is very beneficial. HR program.
So which is your favorite activity that Rebel gives you and you want to continue it?
Okay, so there are many activities that are done in Rebel campus, that HR programs and vegetation removal programs that is known, and outdoor activities. And in outdoor activities, I learned how to conversate with peoples. Earlier, I was not able to conversate with any strange persons, but now I can talk to anyone, and that helped me a lot. Thank you.
So which is your favorite activity that Rebel provides you?
Okay, the HR program.
HR program.
Yes, because in that program you just get to know that what are your hesitations limit, like at how much point you get hesitated and how much point you can get the chance to express yourself. So I guess that hesitation removal activity is the best activity of the Rebel Institute.
Okay. So you have been here for not so long time. So how is your experience till now, and which is the best activity that Rebel gives you?
So like I have joined this Rebel 2 months earlier. So definitely I have seen lot more changes in me as compared to myself which I were in 2 months back. So the first change which I have seen in myself is like I am more confident now. Like earlier I was also having knowledge of English, but the thing was that I was not that much of confident. But now I can like talk to anyone with confidence. And also like Kanhaiya sir is, what to say about this man, like he's super, you can say he's the best teacher I have ever met in my life. Like he's so much of supportive. Like if you will ask doubt even the timing other than your classes, he will definitely help you there also. And if you will ask me about activity which I like really like, like most of the activity or like the all activity I like about this Rebel Institute, but definitely the outdoor session is like great for me.
So as the name is Rebel Spoken Classes, so if we talk about this institute, there must be some rebellious thing going on. So what is the most rebellious thing in this institute that you have experienced?
Okay, so first is like public speaking. Like it will provide you the environment where you can be very proficient, and if you're like if you're speaking well, or like in front of publics, and also you're not conscious about that, and in outdoor classes you're becoming conscious again and again, and you're speaking how to speak. Because if you are just doing any types of work in corporate world, in government world, so it is very hard to communicate with them. Like they are very seniors to you, they are very juniors to you, and how to communicate with them. So that types of environment it is providing us, so I can say it is quite fantastic.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, so I think that there are lots of things happening in around you. Like if you're saying something or if you're delivering any topic inside the class, and if you are doing the same thing outside, then the both thing have the different aspects. And in here, Rebel, we get the chance to speak in front of others, in front of the strangers also. We have different kind of activities given in the outdoor classes. So these kind of thing is just marvelous for the Rebel Institute, and I think that this thing will definitely boost someone's confidence.
Okay, for you?
So definitely like Rebel provides me the confidence. Okay, so I think I want to like add one quotation here, like confidence is that blanket which hides all our insecurities. So definitely like Rebel is best. What to say about it?
Okay, so what is the like we know that in Rebel we talk about everything that bring revolution, that bring change. So what is the one thing that everyone hesitate to talk, but here in Rebel we talk, we discuss, we make out conclusion of it, and that is really helpful.
Okay, so about one thing, it is based on periods things. Like in most of the institution and also in our family, as we know, we are very hesitant to talk these things towards our parents, towards our siblings. But in Rebel, you can talk with the like very friendly, because they have like gentle mind, and they are very up-minded people, so you can talk with them. So this topic, and also we are focusing on like how to make groups, how to talk with them, women empowerments, these things, how to interact with social activities, all these things.
Thank
So
you
it's
very much. I'll come to you again. For you. The same question, that what Rebel has changed, like talk on which everyone hesitate to talk.
So, like we are living in Bihar, and we know talking to boys and girls, it is quite difficult. And here we have got a very good environment where we can talk to boys without any hesitation. Boys can talk to girls without any hesitation. So there is a very good environment. So yeah.
Okay. You wanna?
Okay, so according to me, if we talk about what are the things that we are just fluently speak on in Rebel, so this is about our merits and demerits, and obviously about periods, because we all know that these are the things that we never talk to our parents. If they had given us birth, we are not able to just discuss about these kind of things. Being a daughter, I know that this can very well. So I think that these kind of things is so much influated or inbuilt in Rebel.
Okay, so the last question I would like to ask to you all, that what suggestion you want to give to Rebel or Kanhaiya sir to make Rebel more better? So suggestion.
I think the coaching is very small in space,
Okay.
so I think sir will means
Change the infrastructure.
change the infrastructure of the coaching.
Okay, I will also tell about the infrastructure, but here the quality is very good. But people are not coming like for they are judging it from outside. So the quality is very good. So it needs a good infrastructure also.
Okay, so it should be continued like whatever it is doing, and all like debates and HR programs and lots of outdoor classes. As we know, in outdoor classes, lots of people that are judging us like what they are speaking. They are just following each other like and all. So it is not, they should also talk to, so they should also talk to us, so that like what we are doing as it is, so that they can understand. We are just improving ourselves. As we know, in Bihari students, they are much more brilliant, much more intelligent, but they are moving for other like studies, higher education for other cities and all. So they are
Okay. What is the suggestion you want to give to Rebel to make it better?
of course, like infrastructure, over there we are lacking.
Okay. Your suggestion for Rebel?
Of course, infrastructure.
Other than infrastructure.
Other than infrastructure, then it is quite good. And sir should give more time to students.
Get more time you want.
Okay, so there is one thing inside Rebel I want to change. Like, sir is so much friendly with the students, and we all know that there are lots of students came in Rebel from different places, from different mindsets also. So, if sir will get so much friendly with each and every student, then they are not getting so much serious about how to talk, what to talk, and where to talk. So, I think that sir should change this kind of mentality. Otherwise, everything is just best.
Like in Rebel, everything is good. Like I don't have any sort of, you can say, suggestion for sir. But one thing I want to like add here, like definitely she said really a good point. And also like sir is too much available for a student. so that sometimes like a student take the sir very not very seriously. So that area sir had to work.
Okay. Thank you very much. That's for all.